Okay, yeah. So, what time am I supposed to be? What time am I supposed to be shooting?
Don't ask me. Ask the director. I'm just a production assistant. You can rehearse, put on makeup, do whatever you need to do. Yeah. Oh, you have 30 minutes till you.
I thought I was supposed to get my own trailer. Hey babe, I'm here. Yeah, well, it's not exactly what I was expecting, but okay. Yeah, I will. Hey, listen, here's what I want you to do. I want you to make a reservation down at Tarantino's tonight at 8 o'clock. And call and double check with Bob and Brenda, make sure they're going to be there. Yeah, perfect. Hey, and listen, I want you to look nice tonight. Just don't wear that brown dress, okay? I know, it just makes you look a little plump. Okay. All right, look. We'll talk about it later. Okay. Yeah, I got to rehearse. All right, yeah. All right, bye-bye. Okay. We're going to take the rails all the way to Virginia City. And then from...
This is Steve, the director.
Oh, hi.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you.
Yeah.
You seen that train yet? Train.
We're going to take this baby all the way up to the Yukon. Okay. All right. You keep stoking that fire. Get the coal in there. We're going to get this baby burning and we're going to run it all the way to the Yukon. Okay, the next stop, we're going to need to fill up with water. Oh, this baby's going to blow. The next stop, we're going to need to fill this baby up with water. Otherwise, she's going to blow. Keep stoking the fire. We're going to ride this baby all the way to the Yukon. Hello? Yeah. Hey. Yeah, I'm here. Well, it's not what I was expecting, but it's all right. It's okay. Well, okay, I know, but you're my agent. You should know. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing any more extra parts. No, I don't care. Oh, a giant penguin suit? Are you kidding? What kind of actor does that? How many of those do I have to do? I'm not doing it. No, I'm not What? $500? Oh, well, I mean, you're not going to see the best side of me. I'm in a penguin suit. Well, okay, look, I'll think about it and I'll call you back. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. All right. Yeah. Okay, yeah, bye. All right. There are 3 guys in there. And if we don't get in there right away, they're all dead. So, what do you propose that we do? Give me some ideas, something. Didn't you hear what I said? There are 3 guys in there and they're gonna die!
Excuse me, do you know where the camera department is?
No.
Okay.
Hey man, I'm rehearsing.
Sorry, I was looking at the camera department. They said it was down in here in this department. Do you see any cameras anywhere?
No.
You know where the train is?
What?
You know where the train is?
No. I've been a conductor on this line for 25 years and I've never seen anything like it. I've been a... What? I've been a conductor on this line for 25 years and I've never seen anything like it. The next stop we're going to need to fill up with water, otherwise we're really going to have some problems.
Look, I haven't got time for this. You gotta talk to this dingbat wannabe actor. Get him out of here. He's done. Mike!
Sorry, but you're cut from the movie.
Cut? What are you talking about? Wait. Cut, what are you talking about? You haven't even seen what I got yet. I got fired?